Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of job hopping, chasing the next paycheck, but never feeling truly fulfilled? Here's the truth. It's not the jobs that aren't working, it's the mindset driving you. I've been there, jumping from one role to another thinking, this one will finally give me the security I need. But security doesn't come from chasing checks. It comes from aligning with your potential. When you chase money alone, you lose sight of abundance, the ability to create, contribute, and grow in ways that fulfill you. The very thing you're chasing is keeping you stuck. Every time you settle for a job just to survive, you postpone the opportunity to thrive. Abundance isn't found in another paycheck, it's found in purpose. Chasing checks leads to survival. Chasing purpose leads to abundance. Security comes not from what you have, but from knowing your value. What's one step you can take to shift from survival to purpose? Identify one skill or passion you can develop today. Focus on growth, not just income. Stop working for a paycheck. Start working on your purpose. It's time to work on your purpose.